Welcome students. Lesson number 9, Discount and Commission. So today we are going to study practice set 9.1. In this lesson, some concepts are mark price. Each item to be sold has a price tag on it. The price on that tag is called as a mark price. It is denoted by EMP. It is also called as a printed price or list price. Then what is meant by discount? While selling the object, the actual amount which shopkeeper reduces the mark price is called discount. Discount is always given on mark price. Now selling price. Selling price is denoted by SP is equal to mark price MP minus discount. So discount is equal to MP minus SP. Percentage discount is equal to discount upon EMP into 100. From this, percentage discount upon 100 is equal to discount upon EMP. And the last formula is discount is equal to percentage discount. Discount is equal to percentage discount into MP. Now let's solve practice set 9.1. Example number 1. If mark price is equal to rupees 1700 and selling price is equal to rupees 1540, then find out the discount. Here mark price means MP is given rupees 1700 and selling price means SP is given rupees 1540 and we have to find the discount. So formula for discount is equal to MP minus SP. So is equal to EMP is 1700 and SP is 1540. So that will be rupees 160. Therefore, answer is discount is equal to rupees 160. This is our answer. Now question number 2. If mark price is equal to 990 and the percentage of discount is 10, then find the selling price. So here we have given EMP means mark price is rupees 990 and discount is given 10% and we have to find selling price. Let discount is equal to rupees X. Here we use formula discount percent upon 100 is equal to discount upon MP. So discount percent is a 10. Therefore 10 upon 100 is equal to discount is to be find out and let it be X, though write X as a discount upon MP. MP is 990. Therefore take cross multiplication X into 100, that is 100x is equal to 990 into 10. Therefore x is equal to 990 into 10 upon this 100. So these two zeros will get cancel. Therefore value of x is equal to 99. Therefore discount is equal to discount is equal to rupees 99. Now we have to find ESP. ESP means selling price. So formula for ESP is equal to MP minus discount. MP minus discount. So is equal to MP is 990 minus discount is 99. So that will be 891. Therefore selling price is equal to rupees 891 is our answer. Now let's solve question number 3. Let's solve question number 3. If the selling price is equal to 900, here will be 900, and discount 20%, then find the mark price. Suppose mark price is 100 and discount is 20%, then for 100, 20% of 100 means 20. If mark price is 100, then discount will be 20 here. And then we can find the selling price. Selling price is equal to mark price minus discount. So mark price here is 100 and discount is 20, then it will be 80. This is calculated on 100 rupees mark price. So if selling price is 80, mark price is 100. This is selling price. When selling price is 80, mark price is 100. And if selling price is 900, let mark price is x. Now this 100 is a mark price. On mark price 100, selling price is 80, and so that equal to on mark price x, selling price is 900. So this is the ratio of selling price upon mark price. Selling price 80 upon mark price 100, and here selling price is 900 and mark price we assume x, 900 upon x. This ratio is equal. So let's solve this example. Cross multiplication 80 into x is equal to 900 into 100. Therefore x is equal to 900 into 100 upon 80. Upon 80, this will get cancelled. Therefore x is equal to, if we calculate this value, then we get rupees 1125. Therefore MP, or we can write mark price, is equal to rupees 1125 here. Now example number 4. The mark price of the fan is rupees 300. Shopkeeper gave 12% discount on it. Find the discount and the selling price of fan. Here mark price is given rupees 300 and discount is 12%. Percentage discount is given, and we have to find the actual discount and the selling price. So formula for discount is percent discount into MP. Discount is always given on the mark price. So discount is equal to percentage discount into MP. So that equal to 12% of MP. MP is a 3000. 12% means 12 upon 100 into 3000. So if we calculate this value, then we get rupees 360 here. Now we have to find the selling price. And formula for selling price is equal to MP minus discount. So MP is 3000 and discount that we have obtained is rupees 360. 3000 minus 360, that will be rupees 2640. Therefore our answer is discount is equal to rupees 360 and selling price is equal to rupees 2640. This is our answer. Now question number 5. The mark price of a mixer is rupees 2300. A customer purchased it for 1955. Find the percentage of discount offered to the customer. Here we have given mark price means MP as rupees 2300 and selling price customer purchase means for the shopkeeper it is a selling price. Selling price is equal to 1955 and we have to find discount percent. At first we have to find the discount. Discount is equal to MP minus SP. So MP is 2300 minus SP is 1955. This will be rupees 345. This will be rupees 345. Now we have to find the percent discount. Formula for percent discount is discount upon MP into 100. So here discount is 345 upon MP. MP is 2300 into 100. The 0 will get cancelled. So its answer will be 15. 345 divided by 23 will be 15. So this is a percentage, 15%. Therefore our answer percent discount is equal to 15%. Discount percent is 15%. Now the question number 6. After question number 6, a shopkeeper give 11% discount on a television set. Hence a customer gets it for 22,250. Find the mark price of a television set. Here we have given the selling price rupees 22,250 and discount is given 11% and we have to find the mark price of a television, that is MP. If MP is 100, then discount is 11%, means discount will be 11. If we take mark price as 100, then discount will be 11. Then what will be selling price? selling price is equal to mark price minus discount. So mark price is 100 and discount is 11, then it will be 89. So on mark price 100, discount is 11 and selling price will be 89. Let the mark price of television set rupees X and its selling price we have given here 22,250. Let's see here, for mark price 100, selling price is 89. If we take mark price 100, selling price is 89. And if we take now the mark price as X, then selling price is 22,250. So the ratio of the selling price upon mark price, selling price 89 upon mark price 100 is equal to selling price 22,250 upon mark price X. This ratio must be equal. From this, take cross multiplication. 89 into X is equal to 22,250 into 100. Therefore X is equal to 22,250 into 100 upon 89. So if we calculate this value, then we get X is equal to 25,000. We get X is equal to 25,000. Therefore our answer is mark price of TV set is equal to rupees 25,000. Now example number 7. Example number 7. After offering a discount of 10% on a mark price, customer gets total discount of rupees 17. To find the cost price for the customer, fill in the following boxes with appropriate numbers and complete the activity. Here we have given one activity, and discount here given is a 10% on mark price, and so the customer gets total discount rupees 17. From this information we have to find the cost price for the customer, that is a selling price of a shopkeeper. So here we have to complete the activity. Suppose mark price of the item is 100 is equal to 100. Therefore for customer that item cost on 100 rupees 10 is a discount. Therefore for customer the item costs 100, that is mark price, minus discount 10, so it will be rupees 90. Hence when the discount is rupees 10, then the selling price is rupees 90. If we take the mark price 100 and discount is 10 rupees, then the selling price will be 90 here. Suppose when the discount is rupees 17, here discount is given rupees 17 and the selling price is rupees X. So X upon 90, X upon 90, what is selling price is X, and 90 is the selling price for the mark price 100. So selling price upon selling price is equal to here discount 17 and the first discount out of 100 is a 10. So x is equal to 17 into 90 upon 10. Then this will be 153. So customer will get atom for 153 rupees. Here x upon 90. X is a selling price and 90, what is 90? 90 is a selling price for mark price 100. So selling price upon selling price. This 17 is a discount and this 10 is a discount when we take the mark price 100. So this ratio, selling price upon selling price, is equal to discount upon discount. From this we can find the value of x is the selling price there. Now the last example, example number 8. A shopkeeper decides to sell a certain item at a certain price. He tags the price on the item by increasing the decided price by 25%. While selling the item, he offers 20% discount. Find how many more or less percentage he gets on the decided price. Here let the decided price is equal to rupees 100 and the shopkeeper decided to increase the decided price by 25%. So increasing decided price will be 25 out of 100. If decided price is 100, then increasing decided price will be 125. Therefore the mark price will be 100 plus 125, that is 125. On this 125, discount is a 20%. So discount is equal to 20. Discount is always given on mark price. So discount is equal to 20% of MP. So 20% means 20 upon 100. And what is MP here? 125. 20 upon 100 into 125 is equal to 25. 25 is a discount. So we have to find here selling price now. Selling price formula MP minus discount. What is the MP here? 125. And what is discount here? 25. So 125 minus 25, it will be 100. So selling price is 100 and decided price is also 100. So decided price and selling price are same. So percent on decided price will 0%. Percent on decided price will 0%.